Like it's crawling on me. It's itching and crawling.
I don't know.
It's like...
Is it...
Yeah. Are you gonna fall in? No.
Amanda, don't do that. Amanda, stop doing that.
Seriously, like... Dante's teeth. Oh. When the bridge collapses and the water, like...
Shh.
Oh, you can see the guy, like, he's just like looking, and he gets taken away. Get a shot of this. Dips. See? That's what Christian Bale does every morning. That's how he gets his excellent physique. What if somebody's hand just like tap your little piggy, your little toe? What would you do?
Scream and run and leave you guys behind.
Wait, let's see how you look when you're all wet. Let's just see.
Where? Amanda, where?
I see him?
Oh,
No.
Yeah, you can barely see him. Through the brush. You can't. Yeah, you're not gonna get him with that.
See him right there. No.
See him?
He
Oh,
just
he's
moved.
moved his tail.
No.
Yeah, he's in there, but it looks like an ultrasound. You can't tell what it is.
Oh, it's cute.
Why is it pointy?
I don't know.
I think it's a mole, or what is it called?
This really is where lots and lots of teenagers have died.
It's an underground lair for the Jeepers Creepers guys.
No way, it totally is. It's too short.
I want to milk it.
Why? That's awkward of you.
Right into my mouth. So like,
Tom Green.
pretty big. Hi.
He looks pissed. He does look pissed.
Come here.
He looks super pissed, dude.
Come here, horsey.
No, he's gonna tag us. He's like, fuck you.
Wait, let's go.
Oh my god.
Adam, don't touch it.
Does it say don't feed them or don't touch them?
Probably both. I think it said don't feed them. But I don't know if we should touch them either.
No, don't. What if he flips out? Oh, why would you hit him?
He just farted.
Look, he's like, get out of here.
Fuck you guys.
His face is like, whoa.
Alright.
They don't like you.
They don't like you.
Hi.
You don't look happy. Now that's bad.
You're gonna really touch it?
Yeah.
What if it bites you when you
What if it
I don't
jumps
believe-
on me?
I don't believe in things biting me.
What? That doesn't even make sense. Okay, do it.
Look at me.
Just do it.
Slide.
Just do it. Oh, it's gonna jump on me. You totally just touched that thing, dude.
I know.
Ew.